Thank you so much for joining us. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. First, the top stories. Eritrea's National Festival 2023 commences. Sports Week of Air Force Command concluded. Russia says 20 Ukrainian drones destroyed over Crimea. China vows forceful measures as Taiwan's William Lai arrives in U.S. Eritrea's Festival 2023 was officially opened by President Isaias Afwerki today, 13th August, at Expo Compound. The opening ceremony was attended by ministers, senior governments, and PFDG officials, as well as members of the diplomatic corps and invited guests. President Isaias observed the various selection of festival, including exhibition, entertainment sections, as well as programs depicting the unity and diversity of the Eritrean people, during which he received briefings. President Isaias also visited the technical innovation exhibits that college students and other individuals had set up, and he showed his enthusiasm and encouragement for everyone who participated. The festival, that will be open until 20th August under the theme Heroic Feet Anchored on Cohesive Ranks, will feature programs depicting the cultural and natural resource of 6 regions of Eritrea, exhibitions portraying the progress of various ministries and companies, photo exhibition displayed in cooperation with the Ministry of Information and Ministry of Defense, innovation sections, children's program, bookshop, bazaar, educational and entertainment programs, talent show, as well as other activities. The visitors of the festival expressed their satisfaction with the festival's beginning, which was cut short due to the COVID-19 pandemic. They emphasized the festival's importance in demonstrating the unity and diversity of Eritrean people and urged all citizens, in particular families, to pay it the respect it due. Sports Week of the Eritrean Air Force Command concluded on 11th of August. At the concluding event organized in which senior commanders of the Air Force and other invited guests took part, Major General Takhlai Habtesselassie, commander of the Eritrean Air Force, congratulating all the participants of the sports competition, and organizers called for its sustainability. In his report, Major Emmanuel Tesfagiorgis, noting the significance of sport in nurturing competent youth and unity among staff members, the sports week, in which about 400 sports people took part, included football, volleyball, athletics, and other competitions. Major Emmanuel also thanked those who contributed in the successful implementation of the sports week. At the event, awards have been handed out to winners of the various competitions by Major General Takhlai Habtesselassie and Colonel Abraham Ogbasselassie, Chief of Staff of the Eritrean Air Force. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. Russia's defense ministry said its force destroyed a wave of 20 Ukrainian drones over the Russian-annexed Crimean Peninsula. There were no casualties and no damage as a result of the attempted attack early yesterday morning. The defense ministry said on the Telegram messaging app 14 drones were destroyed by air defense system and 6 were suppressed by electronic warfare, the ministry said. It was not immediately clear that what was the target of the report attacks on the peninsula. Sergei Krikov, an advisor to the Russian-installed government of Crimea, said earlier that air defense systems were engaged in repelling air attack in different parts of the peninsula. Crimea's transport authorities said on their Telegram channel that traffic on the Crimean Bridge, which links the Black Sea Peninsula with the Russian region of Krasnodar, was suspended for about 2 hours from 1:30 p.m. local time. 1:30 a.m. local time on Friday. The reported attack on Crimea is just the latest used by Ukrainian of armed drone targeting deep inside Russia and Russian-controlled territory, though Ukraine almost never publicly claims responsibility for such operations. China has pledged to take resolution and forceful measures to protect its sovereignty after Taiwan Vice President William Lai arrived in the United States on the brief visit. The statement today came hours after Lai arrived in New York for what was officially billed as a transit stop en route to Paraguay. Lai, the frontrunner to the Taiwan next president at election in January, is on his way to Paraguay to attend President-elect Santiago Peña's inauguration and is scheduled to make a second stop in the U.S. city of San Francisco on his way back to Taipei. China, which claims democratically governed Taiwan as its own territory, has repeatedly denounced Lai's trip. In a statement issued shortly after Lai landed in New York on scheduled flight from Taipei, China's foreign ministry said it opposed any from the visit by Taiwan independent separatists. To the U.S., Lai stubbornly adheres to the separatist position of Taiwan independence and is a troublemaker through and through. It said, Taiwan is a core of China's core interests, and facts have shown again and again that reason for the rise in tension in the Taiwan Strait is Taiwan trying to rely on the United States to seek independence, it added. Now we have a quick recap of the top stars. Eritrea's National Festival 2023 commences. Sports Week of Air Force Command concluded. Russia says 20 Ukrainian drones destroyed over Crimea. China vows forceful measures as Taiwan's William Lai arrives in U.S. That was all with the news for tonight. Thank you for joining us.